Let's draw a weenie dog, and it's going to be in the shape of a heart, but it's going to be a surprise fold. The first step we need to do is fold our paper. So take your paper like this and then fold it straight down till it touches the end. Make your crease. Now just get the top layer and then fold that layer up towards the top here. Perfect. Now flip your paper upside down and then take the bottom and make it touch the top, just like the other side. Cool. So now open it up and you should have a paper that looks like this. Now, once you have your paper looking like that, turn it to the side and then close one of the sides up like this. And then we're gonna start to make our wiener dog. I'm gonna put a paper underneath one of my papers just so it doesn't bleed through the back side. On the first half, we're gonna make a curve that goes around and in. Now go up to the top. We're gonna start to make that face by just making a curve. And then from that curve, let's go around and up like that. I'm gonna start on the end and then go around and in. Now take that line that you made and travel up towards the ear. Let's make a nose by making a line, closing it off, making a little face, a smile, and then we're gonna make an eye, just a circle. Now from this side, we're gonna go down a bit like this, and then we're gonna go around and up another time, around and up again. And then this time we're gonna go out like that. Now I'm gonna make the other side, the back side of it. So start from the line that you made and then go around and then curve down until you reach about the bottom where the feet are. Go around and up. Do another time, around and up, just like that. And then we're going to start from this side and then go all the way in and touch that line. Let's make a little tail by drawing a line up and then around. Okay, once you have your little wiener dog, now you can open it up. So once I have mine open, it looks like this, and this is where our heart is gonna go. So start from one side and then go up just like this. On the other side, you're gonna make kind of that same curve and go up. We're gonna go on the other side over here and kind of do the same thing, but this time it's gonna be way bigger and it's gonna cross all the way up, 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 and then make that point like if you were making a heart. Now start from this side. We're gonna follow that same line that you just did. Go up, 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 and around. This time, stop right about there. Now, this is the top of the heart, and then we're gonna go down and touch these lines here. So start at the top of the heart, and then make a heart shape that goes down, 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 around, and then go past that line to try to touch it. You could have also went up like this and did your heart either way. So now touch that line with the other one, and then we're gonna shape the heart again by going around and then go in a bit like this. We're gonna make that curve go down, and I'm gonna make it more heart-shaped by drawing a curve down like this, just so it looks more like a heart. There we go. So now let's color it in. Here's our little weenie dog. So cute, and then when you open it up, it's a heart. I hope you enjoyed this drawing. Please subscribe for brand new drawings, and I will see you next time. Bye.